To turn your hand-drawn sketch into a digital art like this, here's what you need to do. Inside ChatGPT, upload and select the image of your drawing and just wait for it to fully upload. And next we have our prompt. It is a pre-made prompt, so feel free to pause the video if you want to copy or if you want to read our prompt. Now, if you look at the things that I'm highlighting, it shows how detailed and specific our prompt is so that ChatGPT could turn our hand-drawn sketch into a digital art effortlessly. And now look at our result. You could see that the digital image is exactly as the reference image. Now let's see the reference. I got this from Pinterest and downloaded it so that we could see this result. I'm shocked on how well ChatGPT created this digital art. It looks like someone really spent, you know, many hours creating this digital art. When you can create it with a simple click in ChatGPT, it really saves us the time and the effort of making this digital art. Alright, so now you know how to turn your hand-drawn sketch into a digital art like this. Watch this playlist to get more image prompt ideas.